Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol PROG. And this is one of my favorite stock. And if you're following this particular channel, you know I made a lot of video on PROG and I have been making on PROG because I like this stock. I'm very excited. And if you see the chart today, it was up by 15.7% during market hour, and even after hour it is up more than 6%. So in total more than 21% up today. So very exciting. I can show you the 5-day chart, 1-month chart. You can see how this thing is moving up and down. So anyway, so in this particular video, I want to talk about the price action. What was the news that came today? What are some of the rumors about some possible buyout, some earning news, the overall chart trend, how this thing is moving, even though it came down, should you be worried or this is okay, you should buy the dip, at what price it is heading, what is the price target, short interest ratio, so many things. So hopefully you will find this video useful. And if you like the video, then definitely you have to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, especially if you're following PROG. This is a channel I cover PROG like almost like every 2 days. So anyway, also we have a Discord community. You can always join. And while I'm talking about Discord, like we always give alert at the night and also pre-market. So some of the nice trade was like today, like from this one from 4.2 to 5.8, then ZOM, which is our swing trade. The idea was to get in around 49.50 area. It went all the way to 60. So anyway, if you like this kind of alert with support, resistance, trend line and everything, I invite you to join my Discord community. And let me have a look of my Discord community. You can just join my Patreon, and for being a paid member, which is only $9 per month, $9 per month, not a lot, you will get access to my Discord community where I give a lot of alert, support, resistance, defined stock. We also have lots of members, so they talk and they bring good plays. So it is not only me, they are also bringing good plays. Day by day the Discord is getting bigger and bigger, so very exciting. Anyway, so first of all, what was the big thing that came today, right? So the news came today that they announced the appointment of Jill to its board of director. So I'm gonna skip that very fast because most probably you already know about the news. So she was also appointed chairperson of the audit committee and member of the nominating and corporate governance of committee. So see, she has some experience for buyout, and there are many rumors happening about some possible buyout. So if you want, you can just pause and read it. But the most important thing is we are adding the key leadership capabilities that will allow us to continue accelerating our effort to develop the drug discovery and delivery systems of the future, and blah blah blah. So you can just read it. So that was the big news that came in the morning, because she has 20 years of experience in biotechnology sector in operational and financial strategy. So a good one, a very good addition to PROG. So I will talk about the support, resistance, entry and exit point, so many things. But before that, few other things. Let's have a look. So I follow Reddit. Sometimes they bring very good information. So not bringing any hype, not pumping anything, just sharing something. And so many people are talking about that a possible partnership with major pharmaceutical players like Pfizer, AbbVie. We do not know, but many people are talking about it. Also, if you look at the short interest thing, you can see the shorts, they have only 0.6 days to cover, 99.9% utility rate, almost 100%, and also the short interest is 54%. The other one, I was looking at it, I can't guarantee because this is not mine, but this is people are anticipating. I will just read it, and this is not my stuff, but anyway. So the new appointments, so the Jill, former Treasury Secretary of Amplix Pharmaceuticals, was just hired as interim CEO of PROG today. So that Amplix Pharmaceuticals was bought by Pfizer on 2021. I have heavy speculation that she is at PROG to check their books and is getting a fair price for Pfizer to buy out PROG, which will hopefully be announced at earning on 10th of November. All of this is speculation. Yes, nothing is guaranteed, but anyway. So this is not only here, many people are talking. I do not want to say anything. This is confirmed. it's a good news. So maybe there is something happening. Maybe the buyout talking is happening for so long. Anyway, just wanted to bring this to your attention, and people are saying what would be the buyout price, so many things. So anyway, so looking at the chart, you can see the price was going up, then moved sideways for some time. Again, a nice push today. In terms of volume, the volume was going down, but today nice volume came back, almost 68 million came. So this is a good sign. If I look at some other things, number of shares, so you can see currently there is almost 200,000 shares are available to short, and the borrow fee is 65%. So the borrow fee was more than 100%, but when the price came down, the borrow fee rate also came down. I will also talk about the call option activity, but before that, let's look at few things. So in my last video, even last night, or even for my Discord member, what I was saying that the area around 2.8, 2.5, you see the area here between 3.4 and 3.5. This is a very important area I was looking at, because this needs to be held in order to hold all the gains we had, right? So luckily it just bounced off from 3.4 area. Then it was going higher. Then I was also looking at the pattern, so it broke out. So few important things. Look at the top here, the 3.7. this is one top, so this top needs to be broken. This is one important thing. This thing needs to be broken because it was rejected few times today. I can also draw in another way. The charting I like because you can draw in so many different ways. So anyway, some people are also drawing the chart in this way, that okay, look, we have a top of 3.7. we are also making higher lows, meaning that it is an uptrend. So at one point the 3.7 has to be broken and this thing will go up. In my last video, what I talked, maybe from 5 minutes I will move to a daily chart, because this is what I was talking yesterday, that look what is happening. So maybe daily is too much, maybe go to 1 hour chart. Sorry, I'm changing my things, but look what is happening. So for last few days, when it was around 4.5 4.6 area, it was coming down and it was making lower highs. And at what point today it broke the downtrend, it meaning that the trend was broken. So today it broke the downtrend, which is really a good thing. So it broke the downtrend with big candles from here to here. It moved almost 20%. So this is another good thing, right? Now I want to show you something else, which is a daily chart. And yesterday I was also talking about the daily chart. So many lines here, but should I just remove everything? Okay, I'm gonna remove everything for you. So what I was telling yesterday on my live as well to my members, that see how this thing is moving. This thing is moving, right? So the way it moves, maybe I'll just draw a line. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. It needs to come down, right? Looking at a daily chart, you can see the RSI was over 70. It was 75 overbought, right? So at that point it needs to cool. So it came down around here, and again it is bouncing. If this trend is continuing, so hopefully we will break 3.7, then we will break around $4 and it will go higher. It will go back to $5 again. So again, I can't predict the chart, because if I know that this thing will go to $5-6, then I will just bet all my money to PROG, and next morning I will be the richest person in the world. So anyway, I'm just showing you the chart, how this thing is moving. So nothing to worry, because this is the thing, right? Up and down, up and down. So this is the trend I was expecting. Green candle. Also, why green candle? You see the last few days of candle, whenever it came down, it was bought long wick. So I was expecting some movement, and also the news came, so which is a good thing. Now the thing is, it has to go up. We have to break 3.7, we have to go to 4, we have to break $4, and so on. So this is how I'm looking at it. In terms of option, so the nearest option expiry date is 19th of November. Also lots of volume, you can see, even for 7.55, so many different options are loading. So if you want, you can play with call option. One call option for 4 strike price is only $60. If you want, you can go 3 strike price with $90, and as long the price will go higher, you will make money. Look, the share price was up by 15%, but the call option was up by 42%. So this is the beauty of option. And before I close, I want to go back to the chart. Yeah, so this is the chart. We are looking at it. So hopefully it will run higher. Now the final thing, I want to show you the 5-minute chart with extended hour. if you're planning to enter PROG. Sorry, I'm just keep drawing and drawing. So yeah, and I'll just remove all the lines here. Okay. So if you're planning to enter, so it has some support around 3.4. In case it comes to 3.4 or even 3.5, I'll take it. Like, you can just establish some position, and obviously you have to use a stop loss if you are not sure about PROG and anything, or just keep some money if you want to average down. So 3.4, 3.5, this is some area I'm just looking at, because normally it has a support. You see here today, even it came to 3.4, then again it bounced off. So this is one important area. So it has to hold 3.4 and it has to break 3.7 to continue the momentum. Anyway, it's already more than 10 minutes. I was thinking about making a small video, but you know I love PROG a lot. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Subscribe my channel. It's free. You do not have to pay anything. Or if you want to pay on $9 per month, then join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, and let's make money together. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.